Below Banyan Hills Technologies. I'm Akash.
I'm Grant.
Hi, I'm Julia.
And I'm Sebastian.
And we're the Metal Crusaders.
A little bit about us is that our team was first established in 2014, and since then we've previously made it to the first championship in Houston and to the state championship numerous times. After that, we placed more focus on our awards and outreach, and in 2017 we founded FLL teams at our local elementary and middle schools, and there we spark a passion in STEM and we help mentor them. To add on to that, we also attend and display our robot at STEM Nights, where anyone can come in and take a look at the numerous different aspects and applications of STEM.
As a FIRST Robotics team, each year we are tasked with a different field game where we are given 6 weeks to build a robot to complete specific goals. After the 6 weeks are over, we travel to multiple different competitions where we compete with and against robotics teams from other high schools. After a series of qualifying matches, the playoffs start with the Alliance selection. Last year's game was Infinite Recharge, powered by Star Wars. We created a robot that we named Ganon after the villain in the Legend of Zelda video game series. It had the capability to shoot balls using flywheels we created, lift itself up with metal arms, and even align itself with its target to fire balls more accurately. In order to complete the building of the robot, we employed the engineering design process. We first defined the problem by analyzing the game and creating an effective strategy. We then designed and created prototypes to test out our designs and our ideas to complete specific tasks in the game. We finally created our final subsystems and assembled them to create a fully functioning robot. Throughout the process, we used a CAD program known as SolidWorks to help us create a 3D model of the robot.
On the software side of things, our team has made some pretty big advances in the past few years. To improve our robot, we've started using control systems with feedback from sensors like encoders, cameras, and gyros. Beyond just programming the robot though, we also collect data on both our team's robot and the robots of several other teams. Analyzing this data helps us to make informed decisions about game strategies and working with our alliance members, similar to how your Canopy solution lets your clients make smarter choices.
In terms of sponsorships, we do have several sponsors that continue to graciously support us, such as Gwinnett County Public Schools and Nordson. However, to us, a sponsorship is not just about monetary support. We also really appreciate any mentors to come and help us. Benefits as a sponsor includes getting the company logo on team merchandise such as our jersey, our banners and decoration in our pits, and on the robot itself as a decal.
The team has helped promote STEAM through various ways, one being public events in which we've gone out and presented our robot and explained to the public on how it works, and two, going to public elementary school events in which we've also done the same, but more focused towards kids. We've also gone out and helped mentor our FLL local teams, which we also helped in creating throughout the years. Now when it comes to fundraisers, we held 2 last year, one being the Chipotle fundraiser and the second one being Thai Tea Thursdays. On our Chipotle fundraiser, 33% of the proceeds went towards the club, and on Thai Tea Thursdays, all proceeds went to the club. We are planning on having more fundraisers as soon as we figure out what to make them about and on how to follow all the new regulations that have been placed.
Although things are uncertain during the pandemic, we plan on taking action to improve our community. This includes forming a stronger mentoring system for the local FLL teams and hosting community events to promote STEM outreach. Furthermore, we're going to reach out to other local FRC teams with the intention of hosting mini competitions. This will allow us to give even more experience to newer members of FRC.
This year, we also plan to participate at the first at-home competition. In this competition, we have been tasked with completing a skills-based challenge where our robot will go through a course and we will post the scores. We have also been tasked with submitting specific essays and presentations to earn specific awards, as well as even having the chance to design a field game that may be used in a future FIRST competition. We will also be creating a t-shirt cannon robot that we plan to use at community and local sports events to help spread our outreach even further.